Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. We actually do have a few just light rain showers ongoing in the northern Arklatex this morning, and will really continue to dry out over the next week or so. So if you do run into any rain over the next 7 days, the highest likelihood of that will be today, but most of the rain that we see later this afternoon will be confined to our westernmost counties in Texas as well as Oklahoma. I'll show you that, of course, on Futurecast here in just a moment, but the temperatures should remain pretty consistent to what we've felt the past few days here. We will have some more clouds around today, that's for sure, so I think that will keep us a few degrees cooler than yesterday. You'll notice we do have this dying complex of storms that's moving out of the Dallas area once again. This will likely stay to the south of us this morning, but as those thunderstorms die out, they'll let off a fairly large outflow boundary, and those outflow boundaries usually some cooler air. So once our temperatures start to warm up today in the Arklatex and you get some of that cooler thunderstorm dying air out of some of those winds, you can definitely see some redevelopment of the rain later today. And that's kind of what we're counting on to maybe bring a few cooling rain showers, especially over in Texas as well as Oklahoma later today. Still comfortable this morning, but this will likely be our warmest morning of the week, as most of us will start out in the upper 60s. And later today we should have highs likely a degree or two lower than yesterday, but still pretty warm, as we'll be in the mid 80s this afternoon. And a look at your Robin's side of Futurecast probably has a very good handle on how this will play out today, so we'll likely just stay partly to mostly cloudy through the morning hours, and once we warm up enough this afternoon, that's when we'll see some of these pop-up showers and storms, especially anywhere from Jefferson and Marshall and points to the east. We could maybe see the rain develop as far east as Texarkana or Shreveport, but if you're I-49 and points to the east over towards Monroe, likely not going to see any rain today, and looks like we won't see any rain return in those areas until perhaps the middle of next week. So taking a look at the rainfall projections here, as of now we're showing majority of these locations receiving less than 1/10 of an inch of rain, so it won't be a lot of rain out there today, but again, likely what we do see will be confined to the afternoon hours in most areas. And then we definitely dry out for the next few days here. We actually have another front coming in on Friday. That will be a dry cold front. You'll see the winds pick up on Friday, but that north wind will continue to keep the humidity very low all the way through Sunday. Now looks like Monday is when we'll feel those muggy conditions build back in, and do have some rain in that forecast next Tuesday into Wednesday.